As the warmer months approach, the reliance on air conditioning systems increases significantly. In this guide, we will cover key maintenance essentials for air handling units and belt drive systems, two crucial components in many AC installations. Clogged filters starve the system of proper airflow, straining components like fans and compressors. Checking filter pressure drop with a manometer gauge identifies when replacement is required, typically every 3 months. Properly sized and installed filters optimize indoor air quality too. Verifying proper operation of components like damper actuators, humidifier pumps, and condensate drains prevents moisture issues, ensures accurate climate control, and allows the air handler to dynamically respond to changing conditions. Using a soft brush and vacuum, technicians should delicately clean these coils every 12 months to maintain efficient heat transfer and airflow. Using a tension gauge, technicians adjust belt deflection to the manufacturer's specified range, not too tight or too loose. This minimizes slippage, deterioration, bearing wear, and vibrations. Optimized cooling performance, improved indoor air quality, reduced energy consumption, extended equipment service lifespan, fewer disruptive breakdowns, and lower overall operating costs